Well, here's my Summit. I stripped the whole thing right down to just the frame here. I had everything off here at once, including the transmission. I just finished putting all this back on the frame. I had to test the servo, especially this one for the transmission. It seemed to be binding, but it's all good now. The main components on the chassis are now on. And here is the front differential inside this housing here with the A-arms. This was all apart, re-lubed, put it back together. I just bought some new drive axles. These are the what do you call them again? RC damper. These are the RC damper drive axles, metal ones. As you can see, they come apart. They got the little splines in there. Haven't tried them out yet, but I'm hoping for the best. They look really cool, heavy duty. I just purchased a Traxxas heavy duty slipper clutch rebuild kit, because this is what happened to my spur gear and I didn't know it until I ripped it apart. If you can see that, one of the pads on this damn thing right here, this pad has disintegrated off for some freaking strange reason. I do not know why. Here's a little better view of it. Look at that. That pad completely disintegrated. This truck is only 6 months old. I have no idea why that would happen. A little disappointed with that. So I opted for some heavy duty stuff here. As you can see, this one has aluminum pads on there. So I'm going to throw those bad boys on. And I had to purchase an entire new motor for my Summit. I decided to go with a Titan because they're just cheap. And I put some JB weld where the motor connectors are soldered to the motor on both sides. They're solid as a rock. They do not bend at all. Thank God, because the very first motor, those skinny damn little tab broke off. And I haven't been able to solder it yet. And it was very difficult to do that. I don't know if I can repair it or not, but I needed a quick fix to get running, so I just repurchased another Titan. Probably the last one I'll ever buy. I'll probably go for the DeWalt next time. But they're pretty pricey. Here's a lot more stuff from my truck laid out on the table. Tons and tons of stuff. There's the other housing for the other differential. I got a couple of cool lipos here. Wild Scorpion 5500 milliamp hour. Love them. This is bags. I got a couple bag full of parts here. This is all rear end stuff. Bags of parts. This is the front. Parts for the front. Freaking baggie full of it. Sandwich baggie full. I'm going to start putting this bad boy back together. And I will be running up and running for next weekend. Till then, see you later.